Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitani. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Timbana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le tshino e qoke le ithengelwe yimi. Na le siko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Tom's, my back is sore.
Your back is sore. So you want me to
Please carry me.
carry you? Carry you?
What should we do? We're not gonna catch the cab. Let's go. But maybe you can carry me after the episode.
Carry you after the episode.
Dlamini, let's go. Tom's. Oh, Dlamini doesn't want to work today. Dlamini does not want to work, and I'm tired of Dlamini. He was just telling me, actually. What's that under? What's that under? Wow. Dlamini, is that a... I don't think this is a couple.
Brothers.
Why are they holding hands? Maybe it's a gay couple.
You?
Yeah, it could be.
Mandi.
If it's okay, but it's well, there's no sister and brother that... Hi, guys. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions, ne?
Okay.
Are you guys a couple?
Yeah.
All right. Can I ask you questions?
Sure.
Just maybe 3 or 5. Come this side, ne? Chris, where do you want me? Here. All right. I want to stand in between you guys. All right. Name?
Palis.
Balisa and?
Oh, Luyanda.
Leander, how long have you been with Upal?
Oh, it's not 6 months standard.
6 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yeah, it's strong, yes.
Okay, Bali. Where did he meet you?
Since Langani Mall.
A mall.
Side gate.
Okay. Okay, what does he gets to you and then he says, what do you remember the first thing he said to you when he was shadowing you?
Yeah, like bengi se McDonald's yabo. So like ming order. And katabega semva kwami ngawusi sleep, then it's how we met.
I swear. What was he sleep?
Mangi stop para begala emva kwami. So like I don't see.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what did you see from the back? Is she gifted to Palace?
Ish.
Palace, are you gifted at the back?
Yeah.
Liana, is she gifted?
She's gifted, man. I can't leave someone like this. I want to.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm pleased again that same day.
Ish, sister Lam, that day, fresh. Yes.
Okay, so what is it that you like about her?
Oh, personality, okay.
Mm-hmm.
The way she do things, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Bali, what do you like about her, Liana?
Like umuntu grand, like yambona nawe like ngichaza ukuthi yakwazi ukuzimela izihasla like
Okay.
great.
You like hustlers?
Yes.
Bali, uyayithanda imali?
Yebo.
Leander, wapanda. Do you give him a little pal?
Yeah, sometimes Mankonile, but most of the time she's the one who's giving me money.
Pal, so yapanda pal.
Yes.
What?
Ni car wash.
Oh, really? You have a car wash?
Yes.
Business owner?
Yes.
Pali, rich was pal.
Siyancenga.
Yeah. Leander, what do you do?
Oh, mina ngithengisa amali into zokuthengisa ezokucleana amateki nani into engizenzayo.
Don't those things also clean tires?
Ayawatila namathayi.
So you guys can actually work together, Why don't you guys work together and build an empire?
It's just that we don't live in the same location, you see.
Oh, okay. Leander, I want to ask you something very, very important.
Okay.
Do you trust Belisa? Leander, I don't like that silence.
I trust her.
From a scale of 1 to 10?
7.5.
7. So 2.5. Cycling.
Yes, I'm saying.
Okay. Bali, do you trust him?
Ngiyamthemba mina.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10.
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
All right. Guys, what we do on this show now, we basically make couples switch phones. Right? You guys go through each other's WhatsApps for like 60 seconds. Just to check. Luyanda, is there a problem, sir?
There's no problem, ish.
Bali, you don't have an issue. Luyanda, if you have an issue, communicate if you've got a problem.
There's no problem.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Because we're not here to force you to do things you don't want to do.
We can do it.
Okay. Guys, phones, please. We'll start with yours, Bali, ne? Here, Lums. Bali, I need your password. Just open it for me. Okay, thank you. Right. Luyanda, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type love you.
Yes.
That's you, ne?
Yes.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you. No, I still see you.
Yes.
Okay, delete. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching Bali. Are you sure? We'll see. Okay, that's you still. Okay, delete that. Type test.
Stephanie.
Yeah, at least you guys are responsible, ne?
Yes.
Wow, okay, delete that. Type last night. You again. Okay, delete that. Type date. Okay. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy, do you?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Do you see anything? I don't see any. Okay.
It's way.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. There's nothing. Okay. Delete. Type babe. Yes, Sana, you again. Luyanda. Okay, type mama. You never know. How your woman is not cheating, bruh?
Yeah, she's.
Why do you look disappointed that she's not cheating?
I'm fine.
She needs Leanne. Are you sure you're not disappointed?
No.
Okay, open your phone, please, sir. Sometimes these glasses are irritating me. You? Okay. Bali, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type love you.
Yeah, no.
Okay, that's you at the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy. Delete. Type miss you. What do you see?
Hey, Spogazi.
Go into the chat. Hi, man.
Hey.
Luyanda, sibona izinto up. Sibona izinto up.
Ngathi ngizobalungisela iproject akubo.
I-project.
Yebo,
You
project.
miss me, you miss a project kumbe umisa yini?
Eish. Ayilapho angazi ngikhumbula angazi uye lo mntana lo mani naye utricky sometimes.
Utricky.
Trick miss you ka uyakutirhela.
Eish, tricky lo mntana lo angisakhumbuli mengingenwe yini ukuze ngibhale lento le man. Eish.
Hey, go into media.
Yeah.
Project enjani nalena wena Luyanda up? Sibona izinto up. What kind of project is this?
Eish.
Bali, do you want to call this focus?
Yes, ngamfonela.
Because Luyanda is not telling us anything. Ithini into yakho Luyanda upanic. Do you want me to call her?
Ngamfonela umbuzo uzokutshela nami ngimsize ngeproject.
Project.
I-project yantoni le?
Eish.
Manje ongangizela ngimina project daleke.
Eish mphethe abathuna project ingwani ya Sophia Town so aba-8 yabona. Yeah, was supposed to be there yabona.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngibukhumbula ukuthi leyo sizale kahle yabona sister.
Hey, andikuva. Luyanda, I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. I am not hearing you. Hi, am I speaking? Hello, can I please speak to Spokazi?
Yeah.
Okay, ask her if she knows Oluyanda and stuff.
Hello.
Hello,
Sharp.
ngishaphi wena?
Sharp. Ngihlangana phi wena? Yeah?
Mina nobani?
Ngiyakubuza, ngithi ngiyabuza.
Okay, nakhona angikwazi yangathi. Wena ubani igama lakho?
Palisa.
Bothini?
Ngithi ungazelaphi lo muntu lo ngikubuze ngayo saphinde ungibuze futhi lo mpetho.
Umuntu wami.
Umuntu wakho.
For how long?
Kanjani?
Kahle.
Okay, ngitshele for how long then?
Mina naye. Besho la for 5 years.
Ha. Oh, thungukutshele ke sisi ke. Mina umuntu wami ke le 5 years yena ngingeni owami lo.
Ngizongitshela amasimo wena futhi.
Sisi ngicela ungangiphapheli ne. Ngiyakucela singajwayelani. Manje ngizokublocker lalela.
Lo umuntu wami.
Ngithi lalela. Sokublocker and ngizokubamba yazini ngizokubamba. For in manje ngithi ukhuluma nami.
Umuntu wami ngifuna
Spokazi, uhlalaphi? 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 Size apho. Where do you stay?
mina. Ngihlala eFreliya.
Kuphi? Is that Soweto?
Angazi.
Sokulanda sendele ilocation siyeza. Awoyiki ne usiyeza.
Ungijwayela kabi lo.
He?
Lo ngathi ngamclub yazini.
Yini?
Awufuna ulwela indoda yakho singazi?
Akukhuluma naye ngimbuza ukuthi ikhamba tukazana nasengini next.
Nangu.
Hello baby.
Ha.
Hello.
Njani?
Yo Aishem. Aishem.
Mina kamnandi kimi naye.
Eshuwe yazi baby inkinga lo yangazi maneshi naye manje sizocala ukungidina ngathi wabizile labantu labangazi kuyenzakalani kodwa ubadizi manje nami yabona.
Between like we choose about between kimi.
Hayi ngihamba nawe baby ngaba ngathi bayiplanile lento le ngoba nami sengiyamangala abantu bayangatheka lana ama body bag lawa ayithula ngapha emuva kwami.
Line la lokuthi bakhulana naye.
Ngithi mina yela.
Uzwile mfethu uzwele yena self yabona.
Sibo sangilethelani lawa uthandana nomuntu.
The 5 years.
Eish for 5 years yazi maneshi nama ngazi mengenwe yini yazi.
Apologize kubantu Luyanda.
Eish siswa maye ngihamba noSiphokazi mina siswa maye. Palisa uyangimesa uyamisa sisipalisa mana ngazi ngathi unibizile nana ngazi kuyenzakalani.
Oh wow, we don't even know uPalisa thina, we don't even know uPalisa.
That's why ngithenga September 7.5 siswa. Yabona manje into ezikanje ngiz-understand.
Kanokuthemba election nini 10 inkwayo isipela kon bar mi.
Hayi wena mfethu uzwini lakubhari no.
On bar no. Mina futhi.
Sorry man.
So amfuna uPalisa. You're not sorry that you're cheating.
I'm not sorry sister.
You
Yenze njani?
Longijwayela ka.
Khala kakubi, usikhala kakubi wena, usikhala kakubi wena.
Kodwa mele ngikhuluma.
Usikhala kakubi wena.
Manje mina ngiyenze
Wenze azathini uPalisa?
Share nithi yabona ngoba uSiphokazi ngathi right ngithi ngishare.
ngijwayela kabi uzongisherisa nabantwana abancane.
Mana
I-business own uphambene. Awumazi uPalisa ba own i-business.
siswa maye.
Siziphambanela man.
Tanto umuntu omnyama.
And you said uPalisa actually spends imali. She actually takes care of you.
Ele senze njani sister uphanda man. UPalisa man naye.
Kahle kahle awuyuzami.
So umyuza uPalisa.
Ngizosho kanjalo sister.
For uSiphokazi.
Poster yabona.
Hey, phone kabani le?
Phone yami siswa phone yami. Eish.
Pali. Umvile lo mfana ufuna uthini?
Makachubeke na uSiphokazi bathandana babayigrand nakukombela ungani text ungahati nile kayini.
Umblock in fact.
So manje
Futhi block ikaru no before ya fair dog.
Bazongifakela le mali ya every month room.
Uphambene khasis.
Yo,
Hi,
akana nedanki lento.
akanadangi.
Yo,
Mara uSiphokazi uyongcono man.
Hayi hamba kuSiphokazi futhi hamba.
Awunothanda.
abana ntakugwaza kawo.
Kahambe. Umele ndani hamba.
Takukomba ufamba na Siphokazi.
Hi.
Serious.
Basuka.
Monthly allowance awayilayo. Afeni.
Thonga enhloko.
Ele wafamba vele unsiyala.
Don't worry my skat. Do you transport will take you home? Do you need transport?
Ngizoba right.
Okay, I'm sorry wethu Pali va. You pretty, you'll find another man. You understand? You're a very pretty girl, you don't need him. And don't take care of a man again. I can't need. Yeah. You can go about your business, ne? I'm sorry, my skat. Here, Dlamini. Yo, I don't know kuyo. Dlamini, I've got back problems. Hmm?
Don't burn.
I must not do Oh, you care about me today.
Don't want you bent.
Oh, you care about me today.
Full muscle crispy.
But I'd make a pretty dark girl.
Yeah.
I'd make a cute dark girl.
Dark.
Mm-mm. But
Ngabe
if someone has nice features, it doesn't matter what complexion they are. They will stay pretty.
Let's just put the features aside. When I'm ngaba black, ngaba dark.
I'd be a cute dark girl.
Yeah.
I've got cute features.
Okay, ngicela ubheke Chris.
I can see Chris.
Yabo Chris unjani?
Yeah.
That's where we are going when
But we don't have the same features.
you guys have the same features.
No, we don't.
Ubheke isiphongo sika Chris.
We don't have the same features.
It's just that Chris and akenzanga ijo something le.
You're so mean to me.
Not.
You're so mean to me.
Not. I would never be mean to you.
Fine. Do you want to close the show, Dlamini?
Ziningabi izinto engifuna kwento ngaba mean kuwena.
Ufuna ntoni kumhlabeni?
Ngaba mean vele ngeke ngiyithole. So I have to be gentle.
What do you want from me?
There's a lot.
Mention one thing.
A1.
Mm.
Ngiyamisa.
Yeah.
That's one. Zininzi.
Mm-hmm.
La emsebenzini kumele ngiphathe kahle. Muthi Dlamini ngithi uthi zayithi so ngiyazi ukuthi ngitrain.
Okay, Jams, it's fine. Are you going home for December?
Khona.
Oh, no, I'm just asking.
Listen, man, hey, wait. Listen, if there's one thing I have learned about you is that you don't ask something unless there's something.
No, I don't. Don't lie.
No, okay. Why did you ask me that?
I was just asking.
Nje.
Yeah.
For the sake of asking.
Yes.
There's nothing behind.
No.
No, tell the truth. I cannot expose you. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubuzelani. Nambe ngithi ngisazokubuza but unfortunately.
Expose me.
Wabuza kuqala so hey ubuzelani.
No, I was just asking.
It's okay. I understand. Singayenza. Right. Singayenza, si right.
So, Dlamini?
Why ungibuza ukuthi ngiyahamba?
My mom is coming for Christmas.
Never. Kuphi?
At my place.
Ngeke. Mina bese
Ndingenaphi mna unefamily yakho nje
that's
na
why ungibuza.
uzodlala le baby mama yakho kaloku and your child.
Ingane yahamba.
It's fine. My mom is coming.
Ehamba nogogo wayo mama uyasebenza kahambi.
Okay. Suze explain.
So mina
Suze explain.
Okay, nginesikhathi sonke
Suze
nawe.
explain.
Okay.
I'll be with my mother this December.
So umama kuzofika nini?
Around the 15th.
So kusekude ngisenesikhathi mos.
No.
We still have time.
Guys, let's wrap.
I know why you asked. I know. If I tell people now kuzobe ngathi uDlamini, but it's okay.
What? Tell them. Tell them.
No.
Tell them.
No,
Tell them.
ngizofuna ngeke.
Such a liar.
Ngizoyenza.
Such a liar.
Yini ungicela Lisa you Ngizoyenza. It's okay.
What did I ask?
Asivale something.
Please tell the viewers.
No, I'm not going to tell
You
them.
guys know Dlamini is lying.
I want to show them. I'll find the proof. I'll come back with the proof. I'll show them.
You don't want to get along with Musa, ne?
Manje why sifaka omunye umuntu kento sikhuluma abasikhuluma siyi2. Why ufuna ufaka omunye umuntu mina?
Uyila type wena uzothi bana do you have a boyfriend or it doesn't matter boya mina ngoku.
Okanisela Jona.
Okay,
so yabona. So why angiyiboni inkinga ke lapho. So lento kodwa ungibuza.
Tell ungayithethi apha lento kwicamera lento ithethayo.
No sizoyenza. Okay sizoyenza lento kalisa sizoyenza.
Intoni le kalisa? What into
Mase siyenzile ngizobuya neevidence ngizothi bona. Nanti.
Intoni le fleka siyenzile Dlamini ithetha ba kwicamera.
No lento ethe siyoyenza. Lisa ukuthi
Tell siyoyikwenza ntoni?
Dala ungicela lento akusikokuqala. And manje ukungicela wakho ungicela straight ungicela madala side. It's okay mina I understand ukuthi
Also can't you tell it directly? So you came to your own conclusion.
I can read the handwriting. So, yeah. Ngiyabona body language it's giving.
You are body language expert.
I understand we're not gonna kiss since each way yakhe ngakaphumi.
Yo, I'm so tired of this guy. Can we please wrap?
Let's wrap and go.
Please leave my jaw.
Okay.
Thank you.
I love your jaw.
All right, CMTV viewers. That is an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram. Lisa Serame _ and of course follow Dlams.
Instagram welcome_Dlamini88. On TikTok it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook welcome Dlamini. Danko.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yase Prebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile uthengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.